Hi there, great ones. We are looking at our Jolly Phonics letter sounds and we're looking at group 3. It's going to be G, O, A, L, F, and B. You are going to look at the sound on the screen. You're going to tell Mum and Dad what letter sound it makes. Then after that, you're going to show them the special sign that the letter has. You're also going to think of a word that has that letter inside it, or in the beginning, or at the end. And if you want to practice writing the letter sound, you can do that as well. We'll start with the first one. Let's go. Right, that is your G sound. Remember, the water is gurgling down the drain pipe and it says G, G, G. Here's your next one. This is your O sound. We're switching the light on and off, on and off. Your next one. This one says ah, ah, and we are opening the umbrella, ah. Here's your next one. This one says L, and we are pretending to lick our lollipops, L. Your next one. This one says F. And remember, the inflatable fish is deflating, and as it goes down, it says F. Your next one. This one says B, 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 and we're pretending to hold our bat, and when we hit the ball, we say B, B, B. And over here, you have all the sounds together. When we know all the sounds, you can point to each one and show Mum and Dad what special sound they make. Bye-bye.